Howdy everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing great. This is Aditi's request, which was Sakhiyaan. It is a Punjabi song and bear with me for the whole time. I will only be humming the song क्योंकि मुझे इसके lyrics बिल्कुल नहीं आता है, मेरी पंजाबी बहुत बुरी है. But yeah, and this will be a quick tutorial. Chords ज़रूर देखना इसकी क्योंकि एक chord जो है वो जुगाड़ chord है. So yeah, don't miss even a bit. And Aditi, here we go. And others who are following this request, here we go.
1, 2, 3,
This is a 3-chord song. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. We have an A chord here, which is played like this. So your index and your middle finger, that's what you're using. The index goes on the first fret, 3rd string, and your middle goes on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Okay, I have put capo on the 2nd fret. You can sing it without capo or with capo, or you can increase your pitch accordingly. Okay, the next chord is D. It's very easy. 2nd fret pe 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. Okay, and the last chord, which is a surprise chord, I don't know the name. A play कर रहे थे हम लोग. A, right? This is A. A के ही side में एक string छोड़ के पीछे. So this string will look like your index will go on the 3rd string 1st fret, your middle will go on the 4th string 2nd fret, and your ring will go on the 2nd fret 2nd string. Okay, so these are the 3 chords you're going to use. Okay, let's start with this song. It is gonna be super fun. Strumming pattern रहेगा अपना island strumming. Up down up down down up up down up down down up. पंजाबी song है तो peppy. Lot of accenting. Accenting पे video बनाती हूँ right after this. I had it long pending. So A and surprise chord use करेंगे. Okay, let's start together. And then surprise, la 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 la, matching, right? One more time, la 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 la, repeat, la 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 la, na 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 na, na 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 na. So easy, tick 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 करते रहना. Okay, now next part, na 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 na, तेरे यार बतेरे is at A, and then नी पे आ जाएंगे हम लोग surprise. तेरे यार बतेरे नी मेरा मेरा तू ही है, and then again to A. दिलदारा. पहले एक एक स्ट्रम करेंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग इस पे आइलैंड शुरू कर देंगे. ओके, लाइक दिस. तेरे यार बतेरे नी मेरा तू ही है दिलदारा, तेरे यार बतेरे नी मेरा तू ही है दिलदारा. Just to break that monotony of island, I did a. अगर आपको नहीं करना है, आपको continue रखना है, then go on. Okay? एक बार बजा लेते हैं शुरू से. तेरे यार बतेरे नी मेरा तू ही है दिलदारा, तेरे यार बतेरे नी मेरा तू ही है दिलदारा. Okay?
Comes the next part. It's like
I hope this is the tune. So इसमें हम लोग use करेंगे, sorry for the notification, gonna use A minor and D. Easy peasy. So na 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 na, and then D. Na 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 na. Back to A. Na 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 na. Back to D. Na 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 na. Right? Na 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 na. Again the same progression. Na 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 na. तेरे यार बतेरे नी मेरा तू ही है दिलदारा. Okay, this is what I have figured out. I hope ये जा रहा है with the tune. मैंने ट्यूटोरियल तो बना दिया है, अब आप लोग इसको गाओ बजाओ और प्लीज़ अच्छी अच्छी पंजाबी में गाओ बजाओ और मुझे भेजो. Tag me anywhere if you're posting it on any of the social medias. Just tag me, either send me the link on my YouTube or just send me a link on my Insta, DM me there. I will love to see you guys playing it. Okay, thank you Aditi for this amazing song, and this is like really really fun, but I'm really sorry, my vocabulary is very bad. Okay, have a good day you all. See you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas.